Hi, I'm Rainer and welcome to my train room. Today, I just thought I would paint some logging lumber equipment. So both of these are 3D printed resin pieces of equipment that I purchased online. This is exactly how they came out of the box, other than I've washed them off just to get sort of the tackiness on the outside. This one doesn't need a whole lot of cleanup before I paint it. There's a little bit of extra bit hanging off the back here and a little bit on the bottom of the wheels, but overall it looks pretty good. This one still has all the supports on it, so I've got to cut all those off and then get all the little extra bits cleaned up. This one is going in my log loading area. It's got the log claws on it here for picking up the logs and loading into the train car. So that's going to go in that area. And then this is going to go in my lumber mill area. It's a large forklift. And so that will be there for loading the train cars with the finished lumber. So that's the idea. I'm going to have to just get them cleaned up, and then I'm going to prime them and see what I can do about painting them. Of course, I've got some black paint on the shelf, and I've got these two different yellows that I dug out. So I'm going to take a look at them and see which one looks like it's going to look okay on there. And so the idea is I'm going to get them painted, maybe do a little bit of weathering on them, and then get them on the layout and see how they look.